Hello, good day everyone. Welcome once again to my channel. This is Engineer Reagan. Today we will be solving a radical equation. Okay, now this is a very good review class for those people who are taking the college entrance test for UP or Ateneo or LaSalle, UST, or if you are an engineering student and you've just completed the entire course and you are already planning to take the engineering review class, then this is also a very good preparation for you and also for MTAP. Okay, for those students who are involved with MTAP, um, this could be your added reference. Okay, so let's start. Now, what we have here actually is a square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus x is equals to cube root of x. Now, this is not your typical radical equation, okay, because you have a radicand within a radicand, meaning you have a radical expression contained in another radical expression. So this may look complex and hard, but actually all you need to do is you just have to apply what you have learned, all the principles that you have learned on how to solve radical equations. Okay, so let's start. The first thing I will have to do here is I will make it a lot easier. Okay, the way it looks, it's a bit complex, right? So I'm gonna make it easier. So instead of just square root of 1 plus x, I'll express it into another variable. Say let y is equals to square root of 1 plus x. Okay, and then let's also try to solve for x here. So this is y squared is equals to 1 plus x, right? When you square both sides, and so that you can also express your variable x in terms of y. So that's your x in terms of y. X is y squared minus 1. Okay, so this time I can now write the entire equation into its simpler form. Okay, 1 plus, instead of square root of 1 plus x, that's just becomes y. Okay, is equals to the cube root of, instead of saying x, you can now express x as y squared minus 1. The reason we did that is so that we will have a consistent variable, which is just y. Okay, so the next thing to do for me here is I need to get rid of these radicals, all these radicals. Now, you have from the left side, you have a square root, and then at the right side, you have also a cube root. So the first thing to do is I will get rid first of this square root from the left side. So to do that, I just have to raise both sides to 2. Okay, and when that happens, that becomes just 1 plus y. Do you agree? And then cube root of y squared minus 1 squared. Okay, and then after that, the next thing to eradicate, to eliminate, is the cube root of 3. So to do that again, I'll just have to raise both sides to the power of 3. All right, so this becomes 1 plus y to the power of 3, and then y squared minus 1 squared. Okay, so now that we have already eliminated all the radicals, the next thing to do is just simplify this one. So 1 plus y cube. Okay, I'll try to simplify y squared minus 1 power of 2. If I'll factor that one out, I will have 1 y minus 1, and then y plus 1 all together raised to the power of 2, right? And then I believe I can just distribute the 2 here. So this becomes y minus 1 squared, and then y plus 1 squared, right? Okay, good. Now, as you can see, we have a common term here, common binomial, which is the 1 plus y or the y plus 1. Either way, it's the same. So next thing to do is I will just have to divide each side by that common binomial, which is y plus 1 squared. Divide this one as well by 1 plus 1 squared. Okay, so I can just cancel this one out. I can cancel this one out, and then you will have 1 left here, right? So the entire equation now looks this way. 1 plus y is equals to y minus 1 squared. Okay. And then 1 plus y is equals to, okay, you can expand this one. Y minus 1 squared, that becomes y squared minus 2y plus 1. Okay, the best thing to do now here is we will just have to combine like terms. So let's try to combine like terms now. So this becomes what? Um, y squared, okay, is equals to 3y 1 minus 1. And then y squared is equals to 3y. Okay, then you can just divide each by y, cancel that one out. Okay, you'll have one left here, so y is equals to 3. So you now have the value for your y. The next thing to do is this time, since you already have solved for the value of y, you can now get the value of x. So from this equation, x is equals to y squared minus 1. So you have x is equals to y being 3, the power of 2 minus 1. X is equals to 9 minus 1. So x is equals to 8. So meaning for your equation, for your original equation to be true, your x must have a value of 8. Okay? So I hope this helps. I hope I was able to add to your knowledge in solving radical equations. And I hope you will leave a comment down below if you needed more examples exactly like this. Just let me know, okay? So that I could make another one for you. That's all, guys. This is Engineer Reagan. Bye.